In this video, I am going to share with you in details how to purchase HNT or Helium cryptocurrency completely from scratch, and you will get 10% cashback on all transaction fees when you use my Referral ID to create an account. Hey folks, this is Roy and welcome back to my channel Tech. This is going to be my first purchase of HNT or in fact any cryptocurrency, and I am going to share my experience with you. So let's jump in. HNT is one of the latest cryptocurrencies and it was launched in July 2019. So let's check its current price. So go to your browser, search for HNT price. I like this site crypto.com as it doesn't bombard you with tons of information. So currently it's one HNT is equal to 16.52 US dollars. If you click on last 1 month's record, you'll see it has been rising pretty fairly. So let's say you decided to buy HNT. So the question is how to proceed. I will try to share my experience with you. So for that, let's go to the web page and search for HNT exchange rates. And I like this site, which is called coingecko.com, and it gives you a lot of information. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's a list of several websites through which you can buy or trade HNT. So it's currently listing Binance, Binance US and BKX, and I know about two other websites, Bilaxi and FTX, which none of them I have tried. So what is important here is that you can see you can buy HNT using USDT. So USDT means it's the Tether cryptocurrency. So what you have to do, you have to first buy a USDT, and using that you can buy HNT. You cannot directly buy HNT using your cash or credit card. So after performing some market research, I found that Binance is one of the top websites for that. So I decided to create an account on that. So just go to binance.com and click on register now. So you have to register with your email address and give a password, or you can use a mobile number as well. You can use my referral ID if you like. You will find that in the description. So after creating the account, you have to verify the account with a password that will be sent to your mobile or email ID, and then just go back and log into your account. So looks like there is some problem. Originally I created an account in Binance, which is a global website. But since I am right now in US, it looks like I got a server notice that I have to create another account in Binance.us, which is specifically used for US residents or citizens. So let's click on that, and so let's go to Binance.us. Click on get started. Now create your account here. You can use my referral ID, which you will find in the description as well as in the screen. The point is I'll be able to purchase some HNT or make any transactions on Binance.us only after the verification process is completed. Alright guys, the verification was pretty serious. After creating my account, I had to enable two-factor authentication, which means I had to give them my phone number and there was an OTP to validate my phone number. After that, I had to provide my complete details about my residence, even social security number, and further I had to upload some identity. For which I chose my passport, but it couldn't verify. It showed me a notification that verification was failed. Then I uploaded my visa page, and after that 15 minutes have passed and it is still showing pending verification. So I'm not sure whether it will go through or not. I'll let you know. So after about 1 hour I got another notification. So let's check it out. It says verify your identity, submit proof of address. So it says proof of address could be bank statement, utility bill, and so I'll do that and let you know whether it works or not. Alright, after waiting for another 1 hour I got an email saying that my verification is complete. So now you can see that it says you are all set up, and on the notification panel I can see it says identity verification is successful and you are now able to buy, sell and trade crypto with us. So I'm going to proceed with buying some crypto, and I will also take you through the steps. Alright, everything is now set. Let's try to figure out how to buy HNT. For that, go to trade and click on basic. It will show you current BTC rate but also some other cryptocurrencies. So go to this search box and type HNT. So currently it's showing the HNT rate with respect to USD. You can also buy using USDT as well. To buy that, just click on this, and here is the option to buy HNT. But the problem is I don't have any money in this account. So if in order to buy any HNT, I have to add some money. For that, go back to your dashboard. There are several ways to add payment method, but it's showing right up here. So click on that. Now there are three options: domestic wire, debit card. So I learned that if you use debit card, there is a 4.5% charge on that. So I'll rather use the direct bank link. So click on continue. So there are now several options to connect. So I'll do that and come back to you. Alright, I have added the bank account. To check that, go to your API management and payment methods, and you will see your account has been added. Okay, so let's now try to buy some US dollars. For that, go to your wallet and balance. So right now there is nothing, so I'll try to buy some US dollars. So click on deposit. Let's buy some. So it says that okay, it's good. There is no extra fee, so let's continue. Okay, saying deposit in progress. I am not sure. Okay, let's check the deposit history. Okay, it's showing that it's successful. So let's go back and check my balance if it has arrived there. Well, it has not. I guess it will take some time to arrive here. Once it comes back, I'll get back to you. So even after waiting for several minutes, it didn't show up on the balance screen, but let's try to actually purchase HNT and go to that page and check if it's available there. So again, go to trade, basic, let the page load. It's taking some time to load. Okay, so type HNT and here it is. Says so I waited for a few seconds just to check if the price is changing. There are two options, limit and market. So I guess You can check that by going here. So right now it's 16.95. So I'll go to the market option. Okay, so let's I have selected 11 HNT. Let's try to buy and let's see what happens. Not sure what happened. Okay, I think I bought it because I can see my dollar has gone down. Well, let's go back to my dashboard and see if it has appeared there. I'm not sure, it actually takes some time to show. Okay, so it hasn't shown up here. So after fiddling around a little bit, I found that the purchase doesn't show up in the balance page for some reason, but if you go to orders and check the order history, it does show up here. As you can see, the purchase time and date, this is a pair, and that was the current average rate at the time of purchase, and I used the market price at that time, and I have now 11 HNT in my wallet. So this is my first purchase of cryptocurrency and I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see how it grows. And now about the discount. Use my referral ID to create an account on Binance.com and you will get 10% cashback on all transaction fees. There are two options to do this. Either you can directly click on the referral link, or if you are copying the referral ID, please make sure that after entering the ID on the create account page, you see that it says there is 10%, it's providing 10% commission kickback. But for Binance.us, right now they are not offering any cashback, but I'm looking into it. As soon as I have that information, I'll post it. But please note that the referral IDs for Binance.com and Binance.us are different. That's all for today. Thanks for watching guys, and get cryptonized.